What is premium? Premium refers to something of superior quality or value that often denotes an exclusive or high-end version of a MRCP Part 1 preparatory course with additional benefits, features, or enhancements compared to standard. Doctors, are you ready to achieve your MRCP Part 1 success on your very first attempt? Imagine being guided through your preparation by one of the world's most renowned MRCP mentor and a practicing NHS consultant, Dr. Sumanta Kumar Saha. With over 250 hours of detailed lecture notes, video lectures, and exclusive materials like SS boxes and SS bullets, you'll have everything you need to excel. Our 12-month premium course is designed to immerse you in every aspect of the MRCP exam. From question discussions and past paper analysis to regular class tests, mock tests, and a final exam simulating test, we leave no stone unturned in preparing you to be the best. With personal mentorship from Dr. Saha himself, your journey will be guided by a leader in the field, ensuring you're not just ready, but confident and capable of passing on your first try. Don't miss out. Enroll today and take the first step towards your MRCP Part 1 success. Choosing a premium course means investing in an elevated learning experience designed to maximize your success and ensure you're fully prepared for the MRCP Part 1 exam.